In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a chart in Google Vids in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to spice up your presentation or add a visual representation to your project, incorporating a chart can make all the difference. And today I'm going to walk you through the process step by step so you can do it effortlessly. First things first, you need to navigate to Google Vids. If you haven't already signed in, you'll see a sign in button prominently displayed. Click on that and you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use. This is a simple step, but remember, using the correct account is crucial, especially if you have multiple accounts for personal and professional use. Once you're signed in, it's time to get to the actual importing process. To do this, head over to the Insert option. This can typically be found in the upper part of the interface. Clicking on Insert will reveal several options, but for our purpose you need to direct your attention to the Chart option. Now here's where it gets a bit more interesting. After clicking Chart, you'll see a couple of options, but you should click on From Sheets. This allows you to import charts that you've already created in Google Sheets, which is incredibly handy if you've got a lot of data that you want to visualize in your Google Vids presentation. The next window will prompt you to select which Google Sheets file you want to import from. If you've got a tidy drive, navigating to the right file should be a breeze. If not, now might be a good time to consider organizing your files, but that's a topic for another day. Once you've located and selected the desired Google Sheets file, click on it. You'll then be presented with the charts available in that particular file. Here's a tip. Knowing the name of your chart, or at least remembering how it looks, can save you some time at this stage. Upon selecting your chart, it's nearly time to see it shine in your presentation. Look for the Insert button and give it a click. This action will place your chosen chart into your Google Vids slide. But we're not quite done yet. The chart will appear on your slide, but might need a bit of adjusting. Don't worry, Google Vids allows you to click and drag edges or corners to resize your chart, ensuring it fits just right with your slide design. The last step is as simple as it gets. Click on the chart if it's not already selected, and then hit Import. This finalizes the chart's introduction to your presentation, making it a part of your visual arsenal. While the steps I've outlined are straightforward, it's worth remembering that the success of your chart lies not only in how you import it, but also in how well it integrates with the rest of your presentation. Ensure that the style, colors, and size complement your slide design and narrative. It should enhance your message, not distract from it. And there you have it, a complete guide to importing a chart from Google Sheets into Google Vids. With this skill in your toolbox, you'll be able to make your presentations more engaging, informative, and visually appealing. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different charts and layouts until you find what works best for your specific needs. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks to make your work with Google's suite of tools as productive and efficient as possible. See you in the next video.